cozy. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today's video is brought to you by FabFitFun. We're going to be getting into the winter 2021 box. I'm very excited to see what's in here. This is the winter box. I'm loving all the little blue snowflakes on it. I think it's really, really cute. Is this blue or green? It's pretty. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that comes with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness items. It is also available in the US, Canada, and the UK. And this holiday season, they are doing something extra exciting. They are giving a limited time offer to those of you who use my code AR10. You'll get a free mini box with a $100+ value when you sign up for a seasonal subscription for $49.99. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on into this box. One fantastic thing about FabFitFun is that members can do customizations. I'm looking for a knife. That's why my eyes are like darting around. Oh, knife. So members can customize their box. You can pick and choose things that you like, will fit your lifestyle, fit your just general style. And the value really is amazing. Like oftentimes you can get the whole box for less than the cost of one item. And depending what you choose for customization, the winter box has up to a $300 value, which is pretty fantastic. So let's get on into this. I was able to customize a lot of the items inside of my box, but of course it's me and I've already forgotten what I've selected. So everything's always a surprise to me. When you have the memory of like a freshly birthed goldfish, everything's always a surprise. I am already very excited about one of the items in here. You'll see. You won't be shocked, but you'll see. Ooh, okay, so we actually received some of these in another potential FabFitFun box. These are liquid IV little like water packet things, and I liked them so much that I started just buying them on my own. I don't drink a lot of water, okay? Let's just be honest with each other. Let's just be real for a minute here. I don't drink nearly enough water, and because of that, I tend to get fairly dehydrated. And this is something that is supposed to like help with hydration. I think it has like a lot of electrolytes or some type of science in here that makes you hydrated, and it makes your water tasty, which helps me drink water. So yeah, fun. So cute. I forgot about this. Okay, so the next thing in here, we have the Epare. Absolutely no idea if that's how you say that or not. This is a milk frother. I've seen people use these things in like all sorts of different ways, you know, fluff up some milk for their like fancy coffees. But the reason I actually got this is because I take collagen and I put it in my coffee. So collagen, it's really actually kind of gross when you think about it. The kind I get is like hydrolyzed bovine collagen, which is basically just like dehydrated cow skin. I have been doing this for a while, so I put, you know, a little scoop of my cow skin into my coffee. You gotta be really careful with ratios and things that you add. It can taste slightly like beef gravy. But I did get a new brand that is more flavorless, but it doesn't really break down as easily in my coffee, so every now and then there's some chunks. This is sounding so terrible. I'm sorry. It's just collagen. It's supposed to be good for like your hair, skin, nails, your joints, that kind of stuff. But I wanted this specifically to like whisk up my collagen beef coffee.
I smell like beef.
And I think it's gonna work really well. It says it comes with batteries. Oh my gosh, finally something came with batteries. Raymax. Anyway, it has a rust-proof stainless steel whisk and it's supposed to be super easy to use, so I'm excited. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's just a little like spinning whisk thing. Man, that has some speed behind it. Ah! I think this is gonna make my mornings much easier instead of standing there with a fork like whisking my coffee vigorously. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Ooh, it's very mysterious. It is wrapped up very well in bubble wrap. Ooh, okay, so I am really excited about these, but really quickly, I do want to let you guys know that we have been informed that because of some supply chain issues right now that's affecting like a ton of things, you might not be able to pick some of these items that I'm showing you right now, unfortunately, like these candles for your FabFitFun winter box, but they will have a ton of other fantastic things to choose from. I'm very sorry about that, but I would still love to show you guys these little candles here. I am a candle lover. These are from the Candier. They are the Ryan Porter set of 3 candles. Apparently, it says it's an internet famous candle company, which that's really fancy. Cute and sassy since 2016. It says that these are limited edition soy blend candles with essential oils, and there are 3 different scents here. I think the little labels on these are super cute, as well as the names, and you do get a set of 3. They're 2.25 ounces a piece. So the first one we have here is How About Mistletoe. Okay, so this one says Kisses Under the Mistletoe, which I I honestly don't know if I have ever been kissed under the mistletoe before. I don't know if I've ever been in a locale where there is a combination of mistletoe and somebody I would be willing to kiss. So, kisses under the mistletoe, Feliz, nah, I'm good. Get some nostalgic Christmas feels with notes of warm chocolate. That's where I was smelling the chocolate from. Cool peppermint and vanilla. Smells just like a magical candy shop. It smells just like chocolate. Like, it smells so much like chocolate. Next here we have the Let It Flow Pinot. Ooh, I really like this one. Okay, so it says, "'Tis the season for drinking copious amounts of booze." This has top notes of warm cinnamon mixed with fresh fruit and berries, woody base to create a perfectly upscale holiday vibe. And I do really like this. This smells really good. I like that addition of like kind of fruit in there. You don't really smell a lot of like mixtures of cinnamon and fruit unless it's like cranberry cinnamon, apple cinnamon. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's a very common thing to happen. And then finally, there is another wine reference candle in here. It says, "I'm not coming unless there's wine," which is how my mom RSVPs to any event. My mom and a few of her sisters. Hello, if you guys are watching. I love you. But this says, "Cozy up with this cheeky twist on a classic winter pine scent. Vivid notes of woody snow-covered fir trees blended with cedarwood, crisp eucalyptus," which I'm actually allergic to and gives me a headache, but that's okay. It's not very prominent. And sweet patchouli and tonka bean. This smells really good too. It's a very interesting scent. I'm definitely getting a little bit of that pine in there. It smells a little bit like the forest. As somebody who makes candles, I can't help but notice little things like in the candles themselves, the glass adhesion, that's where like the wax like actually touches the glass and it adheses to it. Isn't perfect like all the way around the candles, but it doesn't do anything to affect the burn or anything of the candle. This is a very cute little set, but honestly, I think I might go ahead and give this to my mom. I mean, there's 2 wine references in it. I feel like she would definitely appreciate this. And that's one thing that I love about FabFitFun. Like, if you don't want to keep everything in the box, you have gifts to give people. You can store them back and just have gifts. My goodness, I've been talking for 26 minutes. How does a person do that and not realize? Okay, we still have a lot of stuff in here. So the next thing we have is from Briogeo. This is a brand that I've become very familiar with doing subscription boxes. This is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, you know, this peeking around that bottle there, but I do tend to have a good amount of frizz in my hair. Oh, okay, sure. However, as somebody with like not a ton of hair, I kind of like my frizz a little bit because it gives the illusion that there's more hair there than there actually is. However, this is also a heat protectant cream, so that would be nice to keep my hair healthier at the ends. I've been doing my absolute best to work with the health of my hair, so having something to help protect it from the heat would be really nice. Next, okay, so this is something that I really didn't anticipate picking. I do remember picking it now. I thought it might be kind of like a fun activity. So this is a hot chocolate balm maker. If you guys have seen those videos, they were literally everywhere. That looks kind of freaky on here, not gonna lie. But it's like a little silicone-y thing. You fill the inside here with chocolate and then you like drain it out to where it just leaves a shell of chocolate, and then on the inside you put a packet of like hot cocoa and little marshmallows and whatever you want inside of your chocolate. Then you drop them in a cup and pour some hot milk over it, and then you have hot cocoa. Is it many more steps than just making your own hot cocoa? Yes. But is it much more fun? Also yes. Next! Sorry guys, I'm a little like amped today. I'm sorry for the ampedness. Hopefully it's not too terribly much, but the next thing we have in here is a makeup palette. This is from True and Luscious. With the sun. This is the Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette Volume 2. The sun's like directly coming into this arch window next to me, and for some reason I just stared immediately at it, so now all I can see are little sunspots. Go away! Go away! Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I really like the pan size of these items. It seems like you get a lot of product. The bronzers do seem a little bit on the warm side to me. These definitely have a lot of orange tones to them. This one here has a little bit more like a inky reddy tone, but it does look a bit more neutral than this one here. I'm very intrigued by this highlight or whatever it is up here in the corner. It has like a brown base to it, but the little specks in there are actually kind of iridescent looking. So there are little specks of like green and purple inside of this kind of brownish looking highlight. I don't think the little specks really do much of anything, because once your fingers are kind of rubbed around in there, they just disappear. They might give it a little bit of like extra luminosity, a little bit of that iridescence, but you're not going to see, I don't think, any purples or greens on your face, which might be preferable. I just put a Lisa Frank folder in the window to see if that'll help. The one that I was saying was a little bit too warm probably for me, I do believe is a little bit too warm. The other one is interesting though, because it does have like a lot of rosiness to it actually. Almost kind of looks like a very neutral blush to me instead of like a bronzer. Lisa, you're not doing your job. We got backups. Alright you guys, I have waited to the end to show you the two things I am most excited about in this box. You're not gonna be surprised. You're not gonna be shocked. I like to be cozy. I like to be comfy. I don't want to be uncomfy. So the first item that I think looks very soft and comfy and cozy are this little pair of slippers. Stuff like this just really makes it like a wintertime box for me. The fall and winter boxes are typically my favorites because they come with these comfy cozy items. So the first thing we have here are from Isaac Mizrahi. These are a size medium little pair of just cute animal print leopard? I don't know. Some type of large cat little slippers. The inside is just like some fluffy material. They are super duper lightweight and they don't have like a hard sole to them, so they almost are kind of more sock or something than they do like a true house slipper. Bam! Cozy. These could be cute just to kind of like throw on around the house. Hopefully they will hold up well. They do feel a little bit like on the flimsier side, but yeah, they are really cute. Alright, and finally the last item that I'm really excited for, and I shouldn't be this excited because I already have like 2 of them. But the thing is, I keep picking them because I love them. Oh, stickers! I didn't even see those. This isn't what I was talking about, but there are cute little stickers in here as well. But no. This is what I was talking about. This is like my 3rd and I think maybe even 4th unhide blanket. I just love them. They are so soft, they are so cozy, and I loved this color gray. The other ones are different colors, so I think it's fine to have like an array of the same blanket just in different colors. Nothing wrong with that. And these things are honestly pretty pricey, so it's nice to get them in a FabFitFun box instead of just buying them like on their own. Oh, I just love them, and I love this color. This is so pretty. I think these are called like little mellows or little marshmallows or something like that, which makes sense because they are so soft and fluffy. This color is fantastic. I also love the little label on them. It's not your standard label. One side is kind of longer and more, not shaggy, just like a longer depth of faux fur. And then the other side is just kind of more flat. So you get 2 different looks with them, 2 different feels, and I think they are so cute. No matter if it's summer, spring, winter, fall, all you gotta do is call and I'll be there. I like to keep my house pretty cold. My energy bill is not great in the summer, but I like to keep my house cold and I like to keep blankets and cozy things on me at all times because of comfy. They're definitely a good size. They're like a nice little throw blanket size, so they're good for just, you know, like tossing over the arm of a chair or like the back of a couch. I also have one like wrapped up like in a basket. But yeah, I really like these blankets, so I'm very excited about that. Alright you guys, that was everything that came in my winter 2021 FabFitFun box. This was a pretty good box. Typically, like I said, winter and fall are my absolute favorite. This one might not be my personal favorite ever winter box, but I am pretty excited about a lot of the items in it. Oh, I can use that little whisk for cocoa! I was gonna say this box felt a little less cohesive, but I mean, I also did pick a lot of the items in there, so I guess that's kind of my fault. But the cozy socks with the blanket and like the cocoa balm things, I can use my little whisk for cocoa balm stirring. If I'm hanging out with my mom, we can light a candle. So yeah, there is some cohesion to it. It does feel like a nice wintry time box. But I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions about everything down below in the comments. Do you guys get FabFitFun? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know anything you want to down below in the comments. I love reading and responding to them. And yeah, I guess that's all I have you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!